Welcome to the official video overview for the initial public offer of SFC Environmental Technologies Limited. We are an environmental technology company offering efficient technologies and comprehensive engineering solutions in the field of wastewater treatment (WWT), wastewater recycling and reuse (WRR), and solid waste treatment (SWT). This video is directed at and is intended for distribution to and use by residents of India only. The information in this video is not for publication or distribution, directly or indirectly, in or into the United States. No part of the contents of this video shall be copied or duplicated in any form by any means or redistributed. You are viewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation, agreement and acknowledgement to the book running lead managers and SFC Environmental Technologies Limited that you are the intended recipient of this video and you are located in India. This video provides only the salient features of the IPO of SFC Environmental Technologies Limited, and accordingly, potential investors should not rely on this video. Any decision on whether to invest in the equity shares must be made solely on the basis of the red herring prospectus. Any potential investor should note that investment in equity shares involves a high degree of risk, and for details relating to such risks, see the section titled Risk Factors on page 47 of the DRHP. Investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the public issue on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, microblogging platforms, and by influencers, since the same is not authorized, approved, commissioned, paid by the company or its promoters, directors, KMPs or SMPs in any manner. Any such posts, including on social media platforms, may be illegal in certain jurisdictions, and only certain categories of persons may be authorized to access such information. Such posts, including on social media platforms, do not constitute an offer or solicitation of an offer, or any advice or recommendation to purchase, sell, or transact in any of the company's securities. This video is posted solely to comply with Indian legal and regulatory requirements. Making the information contained herein available in electronic format does not constitute an offer to sell, the solicitation of an offer to buy, or a recommendation to buy or sell securities of the company in the United States or in any other jurisdiction, including without limitation, India. Any other information contained in or that can be accessed via our website does not constitute a part of this video. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view this video, please exit this video. Caution: investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the public issue on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, microblogging platforms by influencers. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the offer document and price band advertisement for making investment decision. Investors are advised to read the draft red herring prospectus dated August 25, 2025. SFC Environmental Technologies Limited IPO consists of a fresh issue of equity shares of face value of 2 rupees each, aggregating up to 1,500 million rupees, and an offer for sale of up to 12,307,500 equity shares of face value of 2 rupees each. The offer for sale comprises the sale of equity shares held by the promoter selling shareholders and other selling shareholders in the IPO, and proceeds of the offer for sale will not be received by the company. SFC Environmental Technologies Limited was incorporated on March 29, 2005 with its registered office and corporate office in Navi Mumbai, Thane, Maharashtra. We are an environmental technology company offering efficient technologies and comprehensive engineering solutions in the field of wastewater treatment (WWT), wastewater recycling and reuse (WRR), and solid waste treatment (SWT). In wastewater treatment segment, our core operations include providing design, technology, manufacturing, supply and supervision for installation and commissioning of equipment for the treatment of wastewater. Our proprietary technology for wastewater treatment is CTech, which is an advanced technology for treating sewage and effluents. Source: FNS report. The FNS report has been exclusively commissioned and paid for by the company and prepared by Frost & Sullivan India Private Limited in connection with the offer. With 639 installations in the WWT segment as of March 31, 2025, particularly in sewage treatment plants (STPs. We hold over 80% market share in sequencing batch reactor technology, a key wastewater treatment method in India. Source: FNS report. Our technologies facilitate the treatment of 15,209.45 million liters per day of wastewater as of March 31, 2025. Source: FNS report. Our wastewater recycling and reuse offerings include design, engineering, manufacturing, procuring, supply, installation and commissioning of projects, plants based on ultrafiltration, UF, closed circuit reverse osmosis, CCRO, and membrane bioreactor technologies, MBR. Our company also offers technology solutions for solid waste treatment plants comprising of design, engineering, financing, construction, supply and installation, commissioning, performance run, turnkey solutions, and operations and maintenance. We are among the select few players who have leveraged global technology in the municipal solid waste space and transformed it to be suitable for Indian needs. Source: FNS report. As on date of DRHP, we operate 5 manufacturing facilities, including one by our associate company. Our company has 181 employees as on June 30, 2025. Further, our company has 3 registered trademarks and has obtained registration for its trademark CTEC in the European Union and in Vietnam. Further, our subsidiary SFC Amwell Technique GmbH has been awarded 1 patent for recooling system and method for operating a recooling system in Europe and has made applications for 2 patent registrations in Europe. Our company has also filed the applications for registration of 2 logos with the Trademarks Registry. Our top 10 customers during the last 3 fiscals include Goa Waste Management Corporation, GVPR Engineers Limited, Vishwaraj Environment Private Limited, Enviro Control Private Limited, SMC Infrastructures Private Limited, HNB Engineers Private Limited, Khilari Infrastructure Private Limited, Rajkamal Builders Infrastructure Private Limited, Gharpure Engineering and Constructions Private Limited, Girdhari Lal Agarwal Contractors Private Limited, and RK Engineers Sales Limited. Investors should note the following important risks. Our revenues and operations are dependent upon technology. Failure of these technologies, failure to upgrade or innovate these technologies, or failure to identify and develop new technologies could have an adverse impact on our results of operations. Our products may be displaced by newer technology, and any inability or failure to adapt to technological developments, the evolving competitive landscape or industry trends could harm our business and competitiveness. We derive a significant part of our revenue from our top 10 customers, and we do not have long-term contracts with most of these customers. If one or more of such customers choose not to source their requirements from us or to terminate our long-term contracts, our business, results of operations and financial condition may be adversely affected. Our business has grown, including our revenue from operations that has grown at a CAGR of 15.91% from 5,194.47 million rupees in fiscal 2023 to 6,978.58 million rupees in fiscal 2025, and we may fail to manage our growth effectively. Our company has experienced an increase in our cash conversion cycle and may experience longer cash conversion cycles in the future. We have high working capital requirements and may require additional financing to meet those requirements, which could have a material adverse effect on our results of operations, cash flows, and financial condition. The working capital as a percentage of total revenue from operations was 63.51%, 39.94%, and 27.77% for fiscals 2025, 2024, and 2023 respectively. The promoters of our company are Sandeep Sudhakar Asolkar, Priya Sandeep Asolkar, Prachiti Sandeep Asolkar, and Saket Chandra Singh Pratap Singh Dhandoria, who collectively hold 40,019,595 equity shares, representing 42.84% of the pre-offer, issued, subscribed, and paid-up equity share capital of our company. 51.83% of the pre-offer issued, subscribed, and paid-up equity share capital of our company is held by public shareholders. 58.09% of the pre-offer paid-up equity share capital of the company is held by the selling shareholders, who are selling up to 12,307,500 equity shares as part of the offer for sale. Our board has 8 directors, of whom 3 are executive directors, 1 is a non-executive director, and 4 are additional non-executive independent directors, including 1 woman additional non-executive independent director. Our company's revenue from operations as for the fiscal 2025, 2024 and 2023 was 6,978.58 million rupees, 6,574.95 million rupees and 5,194.47 million rupees respectively. Our operating EBITDA margin percentage for fiscal 2025, 2024 and 2023 was 29.73%, 29.39% and 23.89% respectively. Our PAT margin percentage for fiscal 2025, 2024 and 2023 was 21.78%, 21.93% and 18.25% respectively. Investors are advised to read the DRHP, including pages 353, for further restated consolidated financial information. There are outstanding litigation proceedings involving the company, promoters, directors and subsidiaries. Any adverse outcome in such proceedings may have an adverse impact on our reputation, business, financial condition, results of operations and cash flows. For further details, see outstanding litigation and material developments on page 506 of the DRHP. Our company proposes to utilize the net proceeds from the fresh issue towards funding the following objects: prepayment of all or a portion of certain outstanding borrowings availed by our company and our wholly owned subsidiary, namely Vasudha Waste Treatment Private Limited, funding our working capital requirements and general corporate purposes. IPO will be conducted through book building with allotment of not more than 50% of the net offer to qualified institutional buyers, not less than 15% of the net offer to non-institutional bidders, and not less than 35% of the net offer to retail individual bidders. The equity shares are proposed to be listed on BSE Limited and the National Stock Exchange of India Limited. IIFL Capital Services Limited, formerly known as IIFL Securities Limited, JM Financial Limited, and Nuvama Wealth Management Limited are the book-running lead managers to the issue. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest any funds in the issue unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the draft red herring prospectus dated August 25, 2025 and any corrigendum or addendums thereto. Neither the company nor the promoter and the selling shareholders are seeking an investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should wait for the red herring prospectus to be filed in relation to the issue for making any investment decision.